What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. It's a beautiful day out, Saturday morning, driving to the gym. It's March Madness season, man. It's a great day to be alive. Let's go. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Not much to report on my end. I got some plans for the car next week. If I can get an appointment in with my tech. We got some slight upgrades coming. So I've said it in previous videos, but we got EMD springs that I've been debating if I want to put on the car or not. You know, been going back and forth with coilovers versus springs, and I have iBox springs on right now, just not really too happy with the ride height. And so we're gonna see if we can get those installed next week, those EMD springs. Let this guy cross here. Ah, dude, man. So yeah, we got the springs and we got side skirts, and we got our, so I've been debating on if I want to tell you guys what, you know, my plan is. I'm so excited, man. Fuck it. I got a whole aero kit coming. So my guy Hamza from Motivo Forged, who made my wheels, he also has a carbon fiber company, and working with him to get a CS style front lip and a PSM style diffuser. So I don't know why I'm being all secretive about that, man. I've talked about it in previous videos, but not everybody is, you know, watching all the videos. So if you're listening, by the way, right now, go ahead and hit that like button, man. Help me out, help a brother out. Hit that subscribe button and tune in for future videos. I'll be here often, trying to post multiple times a week, and share the joy of the whip, F82 M4 2020. So anyways, I got CS style front lip and a PSM style diffuser coming in. They are, his producer or his manufacturer or whatever is working on a new mold, and so it's gonna take, I guess, like a month to be produced, which is totally okay. I'm in no rush. You know, it's not like it changes the car that much. It just makes it look better. So, you know, I'm not in really any rush to get that stuff ordered ASAP, but I got my, but I got the order in, and you know, it'll get here sometime, hopefully in April. So really excited for that. But in the meantime, I got side skirts, I got my EMD lowering springs that I want to throw on and see how I like it. And yeah, man, it's gonna drop the car significantly, you know, put it to really where I want it to be, around you know, a 1/4 inch of gap. So we'll see how it turns out. But I got in touch with a guy who has a F82 on Instagram, and I asked him, you know, what suspension he was working with, and he said that he has EMD springs on his, and he has a very clean fitment. I'm not exactly sure what wheels or tires he's running, you know, and what specs he has specifically, but I think EMD springs get a lot of interesting hate, because, you know, people are always like, well, if you get if you can afford an F80 or F82, why don't you just get coilovers? And it's like, yeah, true, you know, like, you know, that's the goal eventually. But anyways, I agree 100%, and I will get coilovers eventually. And I actually have a order, you know, like an invoice from Fortunato with a custom set waiting for me to pull the trigger. It's just that, you know, with the way things are going, I guess, in the economy right now, I'm not too interested in dropping, you know, 3 to 4K on coils right now. It's just not for me right now. EMD springs are going to help me accomplish what I want in the short term, and it's not a long-term solution. Obviously, it shouldn't be for anybody. I think having lowering springs on a car like this, you know, you eventually do want to get coilovers, you know, to provide longevity for the overall health of your car, I guess, if you want to call it that or whatever. But like I said, it's a short-term solution to achieve what I want, which is really just a lower car. So but anyways, let's hop out and take a look. So like I was saying, Motivo Forged on the wheels. Shout out Hamza. He's hooking me up with a CS style front lip and a PSM style diffuser. And honestly, man, hit him up if you guys need anything. It's you know, I couldn't recommend him enough. It's been a great help for me in my journey here with this car. So, but yeah, there's a few things I need to do to the car. Obviously, beyond that, I'm not touching the engine beyond a new tune here soon. My buddy just got an M340i, and we're gonna go ahead and I think maybe find a shop together that we want to get a tune from, and kind of do that together, which will be really fun. I need to change my windshield wipers out, and I got those. Got some Kim blades in the garage. I'm gonna probably do that later today. What else? I mean, that's all that's really worth mentioning right now. But yeah, super fun, man. I'm having so much fun with this car. Like I was saying, it's gonna drop a little bit, 1/2 inch more on the front, 1/2 inch more on the rear. I think the gap is just too much for me right now. I'm not rubbing at all. I'm not having any issues with rubbing. So yeah, why not go lower? You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Appreciate any comments you guys leave, any likes. Drop my glasses back here. Don't want to crush those. I always sit on my glasses, man. I have a bad habit of putting these in my seat and crushing them. So anyways, man, appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, follow along for more. We got some big plans coming up soon, like I've been saying, and I'm gonna hit the gym. You can get a nasty chest pump, throw some weight around. As always, appreciate you guys. Thanks for following, thanks for subscribing. See you guys next time. Peace.